Oh my god.
Leaving office today at 6:04. Let's see when can we reach home. Okay, this is going to be interesting. I mean, mornings, I did record in morning, but then I saw that video was overexposed, so I had to delete the video. I deleted the recording because there is no point of keeping the overexposed videos. Why do we need to have that in first place? So for the past 1 week I didn't get time to set the preference for video recording. I'm hoping this particular setting or profile I chose would be good. There are multiple turns that I have to take in this route that Google Map has given us. I would say this is an opportunity. This opportunity has been provided by Google Auntie. Oh my god. I'm unsure. Hope I don't break any signal or so. Otherwise I would have to bear the burn of Google is amazing. It tries to route from different the colliding with something. Sorry, they are having discussion. They are having discussion on something. So what's this place? Devki Tower. Oh God. So guys, today would be my first day going to oh my god, no, cut short. We are going back to home. So we are at Noida around sector 62 would be passing by. I mean, these guys are nuisance, though being lifeline. I have to take the turn carefully. I mean, you know, the weight. Strange. Why doesn't Google suggest me these kind of routes on normal days? What's happening in here? This is one such example of sheer negligence folks are. I mean, he's trying to Interesting. So these girls and boys, they're coming out of the factory outlet. So I'm sweating today. And I'm not even sure why the Google chose this particular route. So Google auntie, I'm not sure what you were trying to save me from. Mileage has dropped. It would be impacted with a kind of harsh pull. The real testing of the helmet is done in city traffic. The actual testing, the cleaning of the helmet and drop test and all those things, I should have taken that. I mean, there is no point of moving there now. I should have moved previously in first place. So this was the Patla Bridge. Sorry, that was. Now we are moving towards Gaur Chowk. I thought that would not get congested, but then otherwise it is the same condition. I think it was temporary congestion. It is quite open, but all the dust and things. अरे भाई, unnecessary. Move guys, move. What happened in here? Must be an accident. Oh my god. What had happened in here? Got damaged. They were recording, those guys were recording some content, social media content. Okay, we didn't get any content today. I mean, everything was super smooth. I would not say super smooth. I mean, there were a few hiccups while overtaking things and while wading through the jam or congested traffic. I would say traffic. So I'm right now sweating on my eyes. I mean, I have sweat on my eyes and rest. It's not hot, that hot. It's 36 degrees. I mean, it's manageable, but then the pollution, the dust is the main culprit. I don't have the air seat today. I plugged it off. I would not say plug. So I removed it, set it aside. I had while washing my bike. I mean, I removed the air seat from the pin. Thinking that like I would carry it in my top box, but then I didn't feel the need because I wanted to try how the stock seat would behave, but then it was good. I don't have any issues. While not paying attention, you may go over the limits, because it is easy to go over the limits in Himalayan. Himalayan is it is such a bike wherein you would love to go beyond its limits. So we are at Zeta. We are approaching Zeta. Enjoy the view. Oh my god. Oh my god. I tried recording in with different settings. So this is beautiful Greater Noida that we have. Our own Greater Noida. So we moved in Greater Noida 3 or 4 years back. Back then it was all gloomy. I mean, there was it was lesser known and folks were not there. But now you can see it is flourishing. It is flourished. Anytime what happens, like I am right now I'm speaking, my mic is within my helmet. I'm not sure how it is sound, how will it sound, how the playback would be. Let's see the mileage. Like I've gained the mileage. I'm hoping I would be getting a decent mileage down the line. Saving bucks. I would save bucks on my travel. When driving the vehicle with all the gears is good, because we don't know what may happen, what could happen in the split seconds. I will do the saddling in next few seconds. like 6:58 right now. So I started somewhere around 6:04. Reached. I reached my home. I mean, technically I'm not, but then like I'm in the society right now.